All right, so let's do it here. I'll start by making a slip knot again. Tighten it. Take it here. Just pass it through. And just first we'll just make the whole circle consistent of single crochet. Okay, so from here you can use the base of previously made single crochet to make a single crochet here too, just forming a base for our pouch. You can use a smaller hook too if you think 4mm is not working fine. A smaller hook will be easier to use.
Let's get a smaller hook. So I'm using this 2.5mm hook. This will make it easier to pass the yarn through. See? Just use it to complete this part, and then we'll switch back to 4mm hook. So we have completed it, and let's just slip stitch in the first loop like this. Like this, chain 1. So this has formed the base of our pouch. It will be easier for us to carry this project now. You'll see how. So we are just going to, from here, you're just going to take our 4mm hook and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to chain 6, and we're going to skip 4 loops here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the 5th one, we're going to slip stitch like this. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are going to do it throughout the circle. Slip stitch like this. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Skip 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert in the 5th one. Take the remaining yarn out and slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch. So do it till the end. Okay, so we have made our first mesh crochet here, and we have ended it where we started off. Now continue it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can place a stitch marker here so that you remember that you started from here. Now in the loops that you just made, we are going to slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just slip stitch in this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slip stitch in this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So switch to next, and we are going to slip stitch in this loop. So we have to keep doing it. I'll show you when we have to change the color. Okay, so we have reached till the end of the 3rd round. Now we will be changing the color. So you're just gonna slip stitch it here, and we're gonna take it from here. Okay, so as you can see that this is a bit wide right now. We need to make it a bit narrower. I'll teach you how. We'll do it by changing the color. So we'll take the orange color now, and we'll slip stitch. Wait, sorry. Let's look at the slip knot and start from where we left. And make sure that you skip 1 loop now so that it gets narrower too. And we have to skip 1 loop on alternate basis. I'll tell you how. Just take the loop and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slip stitch. Okay. So now you'll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll make 6. And you'll just skip this one and just make a single crochet here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the next one, make a slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And leave this one, and then make a slip stitch here. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then slip stitch in the next loop. So you see, we have done it on alternate basis, and you'll see in the end that it will get narrow. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6.
Yes, so this is it. Now we will not skip any row. We'll just continue to slip stitch in the next. See? This has gotten narrower. So you can see the white pipe, the one white part is broader, and the orange part has now gone narrower. Narrower. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So just keep doing this and keep it doing this till the length that you want. You can extend the length as per your requirement, as per the size of your cup or bottle. This we are doing inside now. This is going to be our last round. So this is our last stitch. And then we're going to make a single crochet here and just, yes. So I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna make a handle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna make a handle of 30 chains. And 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this is the 30th one. And I have to skip one loop, and we can just stitch it. Just slip stitch it in the chain of its third loop from where we started our handle. Slip stitch, and then chain 1, and as usual for extra security, slip stitch again, and then chain 1, and then you can just cut it. Cut the extra, you can tighten it, and got your first handle. There, got your first handle here. And in visual manner, we have to make a handle on the other side too. So for that, we're going to make a slip knot right over here. Yep, so we're going to insert the yarn inside the loop. Just tighten it like this. Make the same 30. 2, 3, 4, 5, 27, 28, 29, and 30. And just joining it here in the same way. Just slip stitch and chain 1, and then slip stitch, and slip stitch again, and then chain 1, and then cut the yarn,
this stitch is going to be. So we got both handles as well. See? Cut the extra yarn. Okay, so just slide it inside. So this is our inside pouch. Keep your bottle in here. Just carry it. And when you want to wrap this up, can fold it like this. Just twist it. So it will become a bag charm. So dynamic, a charm plus water holder. So please subscribe, like, and comment if you like it, and please let us know if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you.